This is something I've experienced. I used to know a girl that used to use a lightening body lotion also on her face, like the lightening body lotion that she was using for her body, she was also using it for her face. And it got to a point her face started getting red. Like, hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time of seeing this beautiful lovely face right here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Joy, and on this channel I talk about skincare, beauty tips, wellness. So if this sounds interesting to you, you want to keep hearing topics like this, please do well to hit that red subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel, and also make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. All right, now in today's video we're going to be looking at face redness, sunburn, and chemical burn. How to prevent face redness, sunburn, and chemical burn, how to treat it, how to prevent it, how to deal with it, what are the causes of face redness, what are the causes of sunburn. All right, we're going to be talking about all of these things in this video. So if you're suffering from many of these skin issues I just mentioned, please, you want to make sure you sit back, watch this video, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. All right. Now, there are different things that could be causing your face to be red. Like, there are different causes of sunburn, face redness, and chemical burn. And largely it depends on the face cream you're using. Yes, I'm not going to lie, it depends on the face cream you're using. And of course, sunscreen, all right, or the kind of face soap you're using on your face, like basically your facial product. All right, so the kind of facial products you use on your face will determine whether you add face redness, sunburn, or chemical burn. Also, some face redness and sunburn is due to you using body lotions on your face, and that's why I keep preaching on this channel that never ever use a body lotion on your face. You need to get a separate lotion or a separate cream moisturizer for your face. All right, especially when it's not written on the lotion that it's a face and body lotion, don't use it on your face. If it's written there that it's a face and body lotion, then you can still go ahead and use it on your face. But me, even if I see a lotion that it's a face and body lotion, I will still not use it on my face. So this is because our face is very sensitive, like very sensitive than other parts of our body. So our body might be able to take it, we might not react to it, our body might not react to it, but our face can definitely react to it. So that is why you need to be careful of the kind of facial products, face cream, face soap you use on your face. So please don't use your lightening body lotions, your body lotions on your face. This is something I've experienced. I used to know a girl that used to use a lightening body lotion also on her face, like the lightening body lotion that she was using for her body, she was also using it for her face. And it got to a point her face started getting red. Like after like a month or 1.5 months of using this lotion on her face, she started experiencing face redness and sunburn. Though sunburn is still normal, it's not surprising because that is definitely what comes with you using a lightening product under the sun. So her face was very red, and it do get worse anytime she enters the sun. Like her face will be very red. Like when I mean red, like very red, that even you're going to notice that something is wrong with this girl's skin. All right, so if you don't want that to happen to you, please be careful of the face cream you're using, your face soap you're using as well. All right, also please, I cannot emphasize this point enough, sunscreen, because the sun is another cause of face redness or sunburn. If you're not protecting or guarding your face from the sun will keep burning your skin, causing sunburn, face redness, and the likes on your skin. All right, so you want to make sure you are going along with a very good sunscreen. Like before you leave the house, apply this sunscreen, go along with it, put this sunscreen inside your bag. Every 4 hours, apply your sunscreen on your face. That is how you protect your face from the sun. All right, now I know some people might be like, sunscreens are expensive. Actually, there are some sunscreens that are not as expensive as the one you see online. For example, I'll leave some pictures up here of some good sunscreens that are also very cheap, like this Dr. Rachel here. This is very cheap and does not leave white cast. All right, also we have this Biore UV aqua gel sunscreen. So this one comes in a smaller size for people that cannot afford the bigger size. All right, now apart from sunscreen, you can also just go along with your umbrella, your scarf, just to cover up your face. All right, sometimes when I want to go out under the sun, I don't want to like take an umbrella, like I don't want to carry an umbrella because of the load, I do use my scarf to just cover up my face. Just cover it up, make sure you cover these sides of your face especially. Or sometimes I make sure I don't face the sun when I'm walking, like I just face down while working. So that has also helped me from developing sunburn or face redness. But please, I'm not advocating for no sunscreen on this channel. Please still make sure you use your sunscreen. All right, if you cannot afford the expensive ones, go for these ones I just recommended to you guys. They are very cheap, affordable, and they don't leave white cast. Another thing that could be causing your face redness or sunburn is you using a very strong lightening cream on your face. A very strong lightening face cream on your face. Some people might be so funny that they'll be like, she said we should just use face cream. I'll be okay, I'll get the face cream. But then you went to the market and you got a very strong lightening face cream. Like, make it make sense. Like, make it make sense to me. Like, it doesn't really make sense. And this is because I already said earlier that our face is very sensitive. Like, very sensitive. What your body will be able to take, your face might not be able to take it. All right, so please don't go for strong lightening creams. Go for what? Very calm face moisturizers, very mild brightening face moisturizer at least. All right, so while I will not say you should not use that strong lightening face cream you got, because it's personal decision, it's your choice. All right, but I will definitely tell you that don't use this strong lightening face cream every day. All right, please don't use it every day. Let your face breathe, let your skin breathe. You can do it this way. Use the lightening cream 2 to 3 times a week, 2 to 3 days in a week. Then the remaining days of the week you get a very mild, just ordinary face moisturizer this time around, because you're already using a lightening face cream. Do you understand? So you want to go for a normal face moisturizer, and Nivea has a very good face moisturizer up here. I'm going to leave the picture here. So this Nivea Perfect and Radiant face cream is one good face moisturizer that you can get. It also helps to brighten the skin, don't get me wrong. So this cream will not darken you. All right, so if you're using your lightening cream 2 or 3 times a week, then you use this Nivea face cream the rest of the week. All right, now also if you're using just a normal lightening face cream, not a strong one, I would still advise you to use it 2 to 3 times a week and get a face moisturizer like this Nivea up here, and use this for the rest of the week, like for the remaining 4 days of the week. All right, you use this one. Now I would also preach that don't use your lightening face cream during the day. Both if you're using a lightening or brightening face cream, or you're using a very strong lightening face cream, please don't use it during the day. Even if you'll be going out with your sunscreen, even if you'll be using your sunscreen, guys, I'm begging you, I'm literally begging you, don't use your lightening face cream during the day. You get why? The sun will burn your skin. Don't use it during the day. Make sure you're using it at night. Make sure you're using it at night. That is how you're going to get full benefit from that face cream. That is how that face cream will not burn your skin, cause you face redness or sunburn. Also, if you do mix steroid creams, tube creams in your body cream, face creams, you need to be very careful of this, because some face redness and sunburn is actually not due to sun. It's actually due to chemical burn from all these creams, all these steroids you use. All right, especially if you're not good with formulating, with pro-mixing, then just go to the market and buy 2 creams mixed to your cream. Girl, don't do that anymore. If you've been doing that before, please stop it. Don't do that again, because these steroids can actually cause chemical burns that could take longer period of time, years, to even get rid of. All right, so you want to make sure you're very careful about using steroids and tube creams. I actually have a video on this channel where I reviewed some good tube creams for acne and pimples and dark spots, and in that video I actually mentioned that these tube creams are to be used for a short period of time. They are not a long-term creams. Like, they are not meant to be used for a longer period of time. Even when you read through the instruction on how to use the dosage, you're going to see it there that use within 2 to 4 weeks and then you stop. But some people go ahead and use tubes for a longer period, for months, like for months, 5-6 months. Is wrong. All right, very wrong. Tubes are treatment creams. They are meant to be used for a shorter period of time. So if you use it for a longer period of time, it might start reacting on your skin, causing chemical burns, sunburn, face redness. So you want to make sure you take note of this as well. Also, I forgot to mention that I have 2 videos here on my channel on how to get rid of sunscreen. So in one of those videos I talked about how to get rid of sunburn, and in another video I talked about some facial product that can help you get rid of your sunburn, help you manage your sunburn and fade them out. All right, so if you've not watched any of this video, please go back to my channel to go watch those videos, or better still, probably I'll leave it up here for you guys to watch. All right, now that doesn't mean that I'm not going to be recommending some products also in this video, because yes, as we go, knowledge change, we update our knowledge, we do more research, right? So I actually have some few products here I want to recommend to you guys that would also help with your, especially your face redness. All right, so for sunburn, you can head over to my channel to watch those 2 videos I mentioned earlier on how to treat your sunburn, product to use on your sunburn. All right, but for face redness, one thing I would highly recommend you to get is to use a very gentle and mild face moisturizer. You need to be hydrating that area, you need to be moisturizing that area, and that is why I'm recommending this face moisturizer. Please don't get a lightening moisturizer. I don't get a lightening face cream. If you already have sunburn, face redness, you shouldn't even be concerned about you lightening your skin anymore. You should be concerned about you repairing your skin and getting rid of those face redness and sunburn. All right, and that is why the first step I would advise you to do is to stop your lightening cream and get a very mild and gentle facial moisturizer. Please take note of that. Not just anyhow face cream, a facial moisturizer that will provide moisture and hydration on your skin. And that is why I said earlier that you can go for this Nivea Perfect and Radiant face cream. Very good face cream to help moisturize and hydrate your skin. And if you actually want to splurge on face cream, I would advise you go for this Cosrx Nail Mucin face cream. Guys, this is the most hydrating and moisturizing face cream I've ever seen, like I've ever used. Please just go try this out if you don't mind the price. All right, but these 2 face moisturizers are actually very good and perfect. Another product I would recommend you to start using is rose water. Yes, I know, right? You might be surprised that what will rose water really do on sunburn or face redness? So rose water actually helps to reduce face redness. Yes, that is part of the things that rose water do. Rose water helps to reduce or get rid of face redness. Like anytime I receive DMs from people that they have face redness, how to go about it, I always include rose water in their skincare routine, in their skincare product, because rose water plays a very vital role for face redness. It helps to blend out your skin, heal and repair damaged skin. It also suits face burn, chemical burn, and also help to reduce the pH on your skin. So can you see now? So rose water is actually a very good product for face redness and sunburn. Another good product that works well for face redness is actually a face serum. So it's called the goji berry face serum. I'm going to leave the picture up here for you guys to see. So this goji berry face serum is actually formulated, like it's specially formulated to treat face redness and sunburn. So it's like a soothing face serum, like very soothing and calming on the skin, which is what you need if you're dealing with face redness and sunburn. You need things that are calm, things that are gentle, that are soothing to the skin. You don't need harsh products during this time. So that is why I would recommend this goji berry face serum. Very good for sunburn and face redness. Niacinamide serum is another very good face serum that works for face redness and sunburn, because it provides calming and soothing benefits for the skin as well. So it helps to relieve and soothe irritated and damaged skin. So you want to try out any of this face serum I just mentioned, either the goji berry face serum or niacinamide face serum. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Let me know what you feel about this video in the comment section. All right, if you've tried any of this product as well, let us know feedback, review about this product in the comment section. Also, if you've used any other product I did not mention in this video that also helped you to get rid of your face redness and sunburn, please feel free to leave them in the comment section for us to check out. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. I really hope this video was helpful. If you end up enjoying this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up by liking this video. Also, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please guys, subscribe to my channel. Just click on that red subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel. Subscription is free, by the way. Subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.